Are you a homeschool parent? Or have you been considering homeschooling? If so, you are one of the millions of parents joining the growing community of homeschool families. Parents homeschool for all sorts of reasons, but they share a common bond. They are doing what they believe is best for their student. While homeschooling can be beneficial for both parent and student, it is not without its challenges. Typically, parents spend anywhere between 10 to 20 hours per week with lesson planning, record keeping, and organizing their students' homeschooling, which can be burdensome without the proper tools. Allow us to introduce CHS Homeschool Admin. Our Homeschool Admin tool makes homeschool planning, organizing, and record keeping easy by giving you access to your very own student information system. Enjoy simplified planning with a calendar that keeps track of all assignment deadlines, events, and reminders. Our digital gradebook service tracks and manages all of the grades for your student. You can store all of your historical information, whether it's a birth certificate, letter of intent, textbook receipts, or old portfolio evaluations, in our secure database and access it wherever and whenever you need it. As your student progresses through secondary school, you will have the confidence knowing that you are doing everything you need to prepare your student for their next step in life's journey. Whether it is for college, a career, or military, all of your students' data will be there in one place. Citizens High School has been preparing homeschool students for nearly 40 years, and we have served over 25,000 students. From transcripts to test scores, we got you covered. While others offer many of these same services, CHS also offers a wide assortment of accredited high school courses for you to choose from. We have all your high school curriculum needs handled. Sign up today at citizenshighschool.com and give us a try completely risk-free for 15 days. We're sure the CHS Homeschool Admin tool will make your homeschool experience more enjoyable for you and your student.